today's video I'm going to unbox this DJI Action 4 case from Aliexpress. I received this today Aliexpress, so I'm just going to be basically reviewing this item today. If I can cut this open, these scissors are absolutely hopeless. I've just got the most of the tape off. This is basically for the adventure combo. This is set for is the Osmo Action 4 kit. I'm trying not to cause myself an injury here. I think I've got that off for the moment. They taped it pretty well, which is good. So this came within 7 days of me ordering it. Aliexpress has changed their shipping times. I think because mainly Temu's delivering sort of like much faster than Aliexpress. I will leave a link in the description below of the item that I ordered from Aliexpress. You can go ahead and buy it if you want to. It also comes with a lens cap as well, which I didn't know that it came with that. I said it on the listing, but all I was looking for was a case at the time. I don't know how much this camera's wobbling. I think it's wobbling quite a bit. Yeah, it's wobbling a bit, but I'll try and stabilise that in post. So here we go, guys. This is the case. So this is the front of the case. This has already been opened, this Action 4. I didn't do an unboxing video regarding this, because there is quite a few unboxing videos regarding this. So let's have a look, see how everything fits in there. Okay, so it looks pretty good. So we've got, I don't know what that is. I'm not too sure what that is. But you've got the gel crystals, good for eating, honestly. By the way, just in case anyone just decide to eat those. So as you can see, you've got indents to pull out. So probably best if I take the entire phone out and pull these indents out as you want them. So let's see how everything fits into the case. So I'll go with the accessories first of all. This is the pack with the batteries. It's already got one in the camera at the moment, so there's 2 batteries there. This is meant to fit neatly in this slot. I mean, it fits snug, so it's quite snug. All that's in there now is instruction manuals, so I can go back in the accessory kit once I've done. Because my camera's quite zoomed in, so I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. Okay, so then you got some of the accessory pieces that you can fit in. Okay, so guys, I magically got the case, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into its sleeve. Okay guys, so there you go, it's in its sleeve. What I want to do now is I'm just move this close towards me so you can see. So you've got a little sleeve there for obviously your charging cable. You can put your charging cable in here. Some of your accessories in the top pouch here, including the lens cap, which will cover the lens over there. It's very neat. Got like a little strap you can put on that lens cap. You got your lens hood, which can go there, and then you got this accessory here, which is like a surface for a helmet that you can put a helmet onto. So you stick that in here. It's not going to hold all that well, but it's okay, I suppose. I wish this would have had a separate compartment, this case, but for the price it costs, which I'm going to put at the end of this video, it's relatively good. I'm going to clean all this off of here. So there we go, guys. That's the Aliexpress camera case for the adventure combo. Includes a compartment for the tripod, the camera, the lens cap, and thanks for tuning in today, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.